Day 3. The delight of all creation at the Immaculate Conception of Mary. The Soul. Mother, your child is delighted by your heavenly lessons, and I feel the need to come each day upon your maternal knees to listen and to take to heart your teachings. Your love, your sweet voice, your holding me to your heart, all give me courage and confidence that my mother will give me grace to understand the great evil of my will in order to let me live in the divine will. Lesson of the Queen of Heaven. Listen, my child, it is the heart of a mother that speaks to you. I see that you want to pay attention, so my heart rejoices and feels the certain hope that my child will take possession of the kingdom of the divine will, which I possess in my maternal heart, in order to give it to my children. So be attentive and listen to me, and write all my words in your heart, so that you always reflect on them and model your life according to my teachings. So, my child, scarcely did the divinity smile and celebrate my conception, than the supreme fiat made its third step in my little humanity. Though I was very tiny, it gifted me with divine reason and moved all creation to celebrate. It caused me to be recognized by all created things as their queen. They recognized in me the life of the divine will. The whole universe prostrated itself at my feet, even though I was tiny and not yet born. Singing songs of praise to me, the sun welcomed me and smiled with its light. The sky welcomed me with its stars, smiling at me with their sweet and gentle twinkling, and offering themselves as a refulgent crown for my head. The sea with its waves, peacefully rising and falling, celebrated me. In sum, there was no created thing that did not unite itself to the celebration of the Holy Trinity. Everything accepted my dominion, my rule, my command, and felt honored that after so many centuries since Adam lost his command and dominion as king by withdrawing from the divine will, they found in me their queen, and all creation proclaimed me queen of heaven and earth. My dear child, you must realize that the divine will, when it reigns in the soul, does not know how to do little things, but only great things. It wants to imbue the fortunate creature with all its divine qualities. All that which went forth from its omnipotent fiat surrounds it and remains obedient to its every gesture. What did the divine fiat give to me? It gave me everything. Heaven and earth were in my power, and I felt myself sovereign over all and even of my own Creator. Listen, my child, how my heart grieves in seeing you weak, poor, and without true dominion over yourself. Fears, doubts, apprehensions are what dominate you, all the miserable rags of your human will. But do you know why? It is because there is not in you the integral life of the divine will, which puts to flight all the evils of the human will, makes you happy, and fills you with all the goods which it possesses. If you resolve to no longer give life to your own will, you will feel all evil die within you, and all goodness come back to life. And then everything will smile at you, and the divine will shall even make its third step in you. All creation will welcome the newly arrived in the kingdom of the divine will. So, my child, tell me, will you listen to me? Will you give me your word that you will never, never do your own will again? No, that if you succeed, I will never leave you. I will place myself as guardian of your soul. I will envelop you in my light so that none dare to distress my child. And I will give you my authority so that you may take command over all the evils of your will. The soul. Mother, your lessons descend into my heart and fill me with heavenly comfort. I thank you for stooping down to me, the poor little one. But, mother, hear me. How much I fear myself. Yet, If it is your wish, I can achieve anything with you. I abandon myself as a little baby in the arms of my mother, and so I am sure I will satisfy your maternal longings. Instruction. Today, to honor me, you will look at the sky, the sun, the earth, and uniting yourself with them, you will recite the glory be 3 times to thank God for having made me queen of all. The soul. Powerful queen, rule over my will in order to convert it into divine will.